38 below this morning in Bismarck. It's still 20 below zero in Montana. So this is some of the cold that's actually going to start spilling south once a storm goes by. And there is another storm developing. It's going to bring snow tonight into Tennessee and Kentucky, West Virginia. Places that were hit so hard with flooding over the weekend are now going to be dealing with snow and dealing with cold. But you can see for the most part, this storm looks like it's going to cut out to sea just underneath us with not much of an impact here in southern New England, but southeastern Massachusetts may get nicked by this as we go into Thursday and Thursday night. In the meantime, we've got a good amount of sunshine out there right now, but it's just been doing very little in warming us up because we have that cold northwesterly wind that is blowing in, and it is a function of the storm we had over the weekend, which is still sitting up near Nova Scotia, and this big area of high pressure trying to build in from the west. So in between, it's really squeezing that wind field, and so the winds once again today are gusting over 30 and even 40 miles per hour. And last hour we were gusting to 60 at the airport 1,000 feet up in Worcester. So out through the hills of Worcester County, out into the Berkshires, this is where we could have a few gusts up near 60 miles per hour. You've got a high wind warning here with a wind advisory elsewhere till about 5 o'clock this afternoon. Once we get closer to sunset, notice how the wind gusts start coming down, but enough wind overnight that we will be talking about the wind chill. It's going to be during the day tomorrow that wind kind of gradually eases. So it will be a lighter wind tomorrow afternoon than it will be in the morning, but at least the winds will be coming down tomorrow. That wind making it feel like it's the single digits in most areas right now, and the temperatures themselves barely in the 20s. That's where we stay this afternoon, and then once the sun goes down, the temperatures start dropping. And we're going to drop into the single digits and teens tonight. It's a clear, cold night, but that wind is going to send the wind chill by tomorrow morning well below zero. So if you're up early heading out Wednesday morning, this is what it's going to feel like. During the afternoon, that sunshine, the easing wind, temperatures coming up to about 25 to 30 degrees. So it will feel just a little less harsh if you are heading out tomorrow. And then our focus shifts to this storm, which is cutting by to our south. And here it is on Thursday, right around midday, far enough away that the bulk of the snow is to our south, but some of our computer models throwing just a little bit of snow back into southeastern Massachusetts. 5 p.m. on Thursday, you can see the darkest blue colors really stay over southeastern Massachusetts, but there could be a few snow showers even up into the Boston area before this kicks out on Friday. So if you are north and west of Boston this go around, wouldn't worry about snow on Thursday, but right along the immediate coast, we may see some snow showers. Any accumulation probably amounting to under an inch down through a lot of the South Shore until you get down toward Plymouth, the South Coast, the Cape. This is where we have the best chance of seeing about 1 to 3 inches of snow into Thursday night. And the outermost Cape in Nantucket, there is the possibility that we get a little closer to 4 inches, but that would be the exception, certainly not the rule. So we're watching that storm on Thursday. It's clearing out of here on Friday. And then look.